Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel, and we have started making a new project in this series, and we have this as the sixth project. So let's get started. And before starting, let me tell you that there were a few comments that I'm going to start making uh, with your suggestion. So first of all, there is one of the comment that is how to change the color of the curtain wall. So this is one of the problem some Mihir is facing, and there is one who says that I need to do interior designing in this. So we are going to focus on this both of the parts. Maybe this interior designing part will be done in the next video, or maybe we will start it today. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to teach you how to change the color of this curtain walls. And if you have seen my older videos, I have shown you how to change it, but still I'm going to tell you how to do that. So as you can see, for example, if I want to change this curtain panel, so just select one of the glazing panel, go to edit type, and here we have a finished material. Let me see. Okay, these are not actually, we have made a family of it, so we have to edit the family. So how to do it directly, let me tell you, and then we are going to change it in the family. Just go to wall, select any of the curtain wall, just select this curtain wall one and make a curtain wall over here. And then as you can see, this is just transparent color, and we have nothing as this place. If you go to realistic view, we are in the realistic view only. And if we also do the consistent color, so as you can see, this seems a little bit blue, and in shader also it seems a little bit blue. And what if you want to change the color of this one? So just go to edit type, and first of all, before making any changes to it, duplicate it and make it as color curtain. Okay, and then press OK, and after that select this panel and select this glaze. As you can see, I have just pressed the tab once, and now I can select this glaze. And then after selecting this, just go to edit type, and in edit type go to materials, and then we have to make a new material. So what we are going to do is we are just going to duplicate this one, and after duplicating it, rename it as color glass, and then go to this render appearance is fine. But over here, yeah, as you can see, we have few of the colors given, but if you will change this color, it will also affect the main family of it, that was the glass family. So we are going to duplicate it first. So as you can see, I have duplicated it, and now it's updating, and now you can select any of this color. For example, you can choose blue, green, bronze, and if you want your own color, just go to tint, or maybe here we have a custom option. So in custom option, you can select any of this color from the RGB panel. So for example, if I want something as red, so I'm just showing because it will look a darker color. So just select this one. Okay, apply it, and now it is fine. As you can see, the red color is applied. And if you go to realistic view, and in realistic view it is not visible, but if you will render it, it will be seen red. So you can select any of this shaded or the consistent color, and you will see that it is of red, and our old panel are as blue as it was. So this is how you make changes to it. So now I told you how to change the color of this. And after this, okay, I'm just undoing it because I don't need new curtain panel. We already have a curtain panel, and we don't want extra ones. So now we have done it. After that, what else do we need to do in this project? Let me open the project file. So okay, we need to put some door at this point, then we have to make these colors. And before making those things, as you can see, here is a something that is covering the top side of it. So you can actually side of it, so you can make this one. How we will make it, let's just do it. So select any of this. So I am going to select this one. Okay, after that go to architecture, go to component. Okay, without selecting also you can do that, not a problem. And go to model in place. In model in place, select any of the generic model, or maybe there is a roof option, so you can select roof. And instead of roof, you can say roof side cover, or as you like, anything you can put. And then select, we have to put it as sweep. Okay, and then we have to pick a path or sketch a path. So in this one we are going to pick a path, and now we are going to pick this path, that is this one. As you can see, I'm just selecting in the 3D view, pick 3D edges, and now we have selected every part. Almost one is left. So as you can see, we have selected this part. Now just press OK, and after this you go to edit profile, and in edit profile just go to this view that is in the middle of this one, and after this let us see how is it. So it is a little bit inside, as you can see here, and maybe on same is on this same on that side. So we are going to make it something. Maybe let's go to this front portion maybe, and then first make a line, and after making a line, increase the size of it by 1 inches or maybe less than that. Let me see if I put it as 1 inches. Okay, I will keep it 0.5 inches and enter. And as you can see, okay, 0.5 inches is okay, it is fine. And on this side also you have to do the same, 0.5. So just go here, select 0. I mean type on your keyboard 0.5 and inches and press enter, and now we have it. And just trim it, so from here to here, and now we have something of this type. And if you want to make it of different type, I mean if you want to put it inside also, you can do that. And how we are going to do that, let me see if I can actually do that or not. Okay, it is already inside of it. At this portion, if you go to this and just increase the size of it by a little bit, and press OK and OK, and now you can see that we have made something at this place. And now we have to provide a color to it. So we have to provide a material, so just go to material and select aluminum finish model, and now you can see that it is there, but there's one problem, that it is going inside. So we have to edit the profile once again. Select your profile. Where is our profile? It was at this place only. So attach, let me see, edit boundary, and not the boundary, I have to edit the family. So let me select tab to select this. As you can see, and as I have selected, here is an option, edit in place. Just go to edit in place, select this one, edit sweep, okay, and then we have to edit this one. So just go to this view, or you can go to the top view. Okay, not in the top view, on the side view only. We are going to edit profile and edit profile like this. So we are getting it out in this portion and keeping it at the uh, face of it. So just press OK, and now you will see that it is still doing the same thing. So we have to edit it once again. So edit profile, and what else we can do is we can just reduce the size of it from this portion. So just select this from this place and keep it till here, and reduce the size of it by a little bit. That is till this portion. Okay, now trim this. So we have to make a trim from this portion and from this portion, and the top side we already have a trim. Just press OK, and now we'll see that it is not overlapping, and now we are done. And if you want to copy it, just go to copy, paste, align to selected level on the second floor, and now okay, on the first floor actually. So select it, copy it, paste to align selected level first floor, and now you have it on this portion also. So we have made this side portion, and if you want to give it a curve size and curve type of something, then you can just select it, edit in place, and then again go to edit sweep, select this one, and we have already have a path, so we have to edit this profiles. So just select this profile. Let me see if I can select it. Okay, just go to this edit profile, and here you can make those adjustments, like just increase the size of it, go to this, and from here to here, and now you can make it something like this, trim it, or you can just delete this portion, and now press OK. Two lines cannot intersect each other, so there is an intersecting line, press OK, finish. And now you will see that we have something like this as a curve inside. So these are the ways to draw some sweep. And just select this one, copy this one, paste to align selected level, first floor, done. And after this we have to make a wall at this side. Let me see where it was. So I had to make it yesterday, but today I'm making it. So from this place to this place we have a wall, and on top of this there is a floor. So we already have a wall, and we can increase the size of it. So just select 9 inches wall at this place, 9 inches, and now we have a 9-inch wall. And on the top side also we need the same wall, and let me see once again, we need it is just a connected wall. So go to edit profile and select this one, and right now it is at 0.6. okay, what if I reduce it to, we have to reduce it by 9 inches or 1 foot. So it was 6, and we can keep it at 1 foot 6 inches. So just remove the constraints, and here you can type also. So at this place, and a joint element, and now we have 6 foot wall, I mean 6 inches wall. And after making this wall we have to make a top wall. So we are going to ground level or the first floor. We are going to this ground level, and where our this was the place. Okay, this is the back place, and we have to make it on this side. Okay, go to ground floor, go to architecture, go to floor, and go to rectangle, and we just made a wall where we have to place it. Let me think, it is the starting point. Here we have our wall and this wall, so this wall is being covered from this portion to not this one, from this portion. Okay, and from this portion to this portion, and press OK, and just go to 3D view. And as you can see that this is overlapping at this place, you can just give a height offset of 9 inches, and now you will see that we have a wall something like this. And if you want to move it inside, you can do that in this way. And before doing that, it is coming out. Okay, this is our floor, and we have to make a cover at this side. So what we can do is we can place a 4.5 inches wall on this side. So just go to the left view, increase the size of it, and you can reduce this size by a little bit, remove constraint, press OK. Double is to hide this wall first, and then just go to the ground floor, take a wall of 4.5 inches. So where is our 4.5 inches wall? Here is our 4.5 inches wall, and we made a floor at this place, and we have to place a wall that is in the inner side of it, and as you can see it is overlapping. Just move it by a little bit. Okay, just move it, and then AL for align, and align at this section, and now you can see that there is no overlapping. Just go to 3D, and in this portion increase the size of it till here, and let me see this portion. So this is coming out a little bit, and this is going inside. So now as you can see it is inside. You can just attach the top base to this one, and then we will have to increase this size of this floor. You can keep it till here, or you can move it a little bit outside. Press OK, and for this 9 inches wall, it is still first floor. You can keep it to ground floor, and this portion is coming out by a little bit. So just go to edit profile. Okay, go to the back view or any of the view, and then increase the size of it till here. Remove constraint. Okay, and now you will see that we have something. Okay, we don't have something. Go to edit profile once again, go to this front view, and here till here, and now we have a 9-inch wall, and we have to increase the size of it by a little bit. Just match this two, and if you can't align it, just press AL on your keyboard, select this top and select this top, and now it has been aligned perfectly. And the inner wall, let me see, where is that inner wall? Where is our inner wall? We actually made a wall at this place, and maybe it has been placed on the second level. I think so. We do have to place it on the top level. You can see this was the wall, and as you can see it starts from the first floor. You have to start it from the ground floor and end it on the first floor. Okay, ground floor, first floor, it cannot be changed. I'm not able to understand it, so I'm going to detach and detach top base, and now you can see that it has been attached to this top base. You can select this one and attach top base, and now it is attached. And HR to get everything back. HR is for the hide reset maybe. So after this we have to find a door that looks something like this, or we can directly make this door with extrusion, and we will give a what we say it, maybe this is a 9 inches wall first of all, and here we have a 9 inches wall. So just select this wall, go to wall, and here select it as a 9 inches wall, because there is a much more gap as you can see at this place. So I choose it at 9 inches, and here we are going to make the door, and we are going to make this door by this model in place option. So just go to model in place, and here you can use door, and not column actually. Go to component, model in place, and here you can select door. Okay, and door one, fine, extrusion. And before that we had to make a gap over here, so not a, we can make it directly right now. Just go to set plane, pick a plane, and here we have to take a rectangle, set a plane, pick a plane, and we have to make this on this portion, that is the front portion. Just select this left view, go to this rectangle, and we have a door something like this actually. Okay, check it out. So it is till 7 feet maybe, or 8 feet. Select this one, or okay, select this one and give it an height of 8 feet, and give it a thickness of, I mean the width of, you can keep it at 6 feet. And now we have it. After making this, just press OK, and then what we have to do is extrusion start at -9 inches, and extrusion ends at, where does our extrusion ends? It ends at 4 inches. Okay, minus 4 inches actually, minus 4 inches. So we will have a 5 inches gap, and as you can see we cannot see our that extrusion. So first of all, finish your model. Just select this wall, go to the left view, go to edit profile, and now you can just take something like this and then trim, and here we need to undo SL, trim this portion, and then trim this portion, and then delete this portion, and I will have something like this. And as you can see, the gap is much more prominent, and we can decrease the thickness of it by 1 inches. So right now it is at 4 inches. You can keep it at minus 3 inches. Okay, actually minus 5. So minus 5 inches, and finish model. And now we have something like this. Let me check. Okay, this is fine, and we have finished the model. And now we have to apply a materials of this wood type. So just go to Google and find wooden door texture, and then select something like this maybe, or do we have anything else? Okay, you can select this one also and just save it. Save images, desktop. Where's that desktop? Okay, and rename it as one. And we have one more. Just select this, save as, and here go to this to save it. Okay, we have two of the materials, and we are going to make a material for this door. So you can go to manage first, and then material. You can create a new material, rename it one dot door, and now we can go to reuse render appearance. Here we are going to select an image that is saved on the desktop. Select this one, and then glossiness, just reduce the glossiness. And okay, you can also give it a bump, but for the bump we need something of black and white color, so we are going to do it afterwards. And before that, just check it out. For example, it is as 1 feet by 1 feet. You can keep it at 4 feet by 4 feet maybe, or 4 feet by 3 feet. Okay, just unlink this. 4 feet by 4 feet, and 5 feet by 4 feet, 5 feet by 3 feet. I'm just trying to crop this. So 2 feet by 3 feet, 3 feet by 2 feet. Okay, I'm going to keep it at 4 feet by 4 feet, and just link this. Go to apply, and now select this one, select this, edit in place, and just select this one. Go to by category, and here you can select the door and finish it. And now we'll see that we have something like this. I know that it doesn't match this one, but you can find something like this, or you can also apply the bump to it. So this is one of our door, we can consider it. And if you want to give a panel on the side, you can also make that one with the help of model in place. And then we have to put a handle on this. So let me check if we have a handle. Go to architecture, and you can use your insert. I'm going to use this shortcut, that is go to insert and go Autodesk family, and here we can select door, and in door we can have some handle maybe. So we can select this home handle or exterior pull. I'm going to select this exterior pull. And can we place this material? Okay, go to component, and where's that exterior pull? No, it's not available at this place. Let me check. Yes, we have it, and we cannot place it on okay, we can actually, or we cannot. Okay, just select this one, go to edit in place, and we cannot edit this one. But what we can do is, no, we cannot do this. Let me see what option I have. Door, undo it. Where it has been placed, I don't even know. Undo. Okay, let me check how can I place this handle. Go to door, and door material can be placed. Why I can't place it directly? What if I try to place it here? It can be placed. And what if I try to place it on this wall? Okay, here it can be placed. And okay, at this place I can not do this. I cannot do this. Why? Pick a plane, and let me select this plane maybe. Oh, no, I cannot place this one. So what else I can use? Okay, I will see that later. Why I cannot place it here. So I thought I would have placed it on this top and it had been look like a door. So now it's not the way I thought. So we have to make some changes to it. We will do it later on. Just select this, go to ground level, and here keep it till first floor. No, just increase the size of it. Go to edit, go to any of the view, and then attach it to the top and remove constraint and finish. And now we have it, and you can reduce the size of it. Just go to front view, go to edit, and place it inside till here, and now finish it. So we have something like this, and after this what we have to make it, and wait for a while. There's alarm going on. So as you have seen, we have made a door over here, and then we can do is, what else we can do? First of all, just take this one out because it is on the inner side of it. So just go to the top, go to edit boundary, and from the, okay, it is not visible. Just go to this, and here you will find a wireframe option, and now you can adjust it. So we have to adjust it like this, and always remember to save your project, and yes, attach unjoined element, no problem. And then go to realistic or consistent color, and here as we can see that this toe is fine, but we can do something else at this place. So let me select this toe, just select this, delete this, and get back to it. Go to edit profile, and here you can just do it like this. So I'm just reversing everything, and now you will find that there's a wall. And now what we can do is we can load a door family. So just go to door, then go to family, and here I have one of the family, that is this one, and let it load, and then we will try to change its material. So as you can see, I have just put this door over this place. Go to left view, and then first of all let me increase the size of it. So it is 6 feet 10 inches. You can keep it as 8 feet, and width is 3 feet 3 inches. You can keep it at 6 feet, and apply, and okay, and now you will see that this door size has been increased, and you can just move it this way, and now you have it. And I don't know why it is showing the warning sign. It is not like this. So okay, we will see at the time of rendering why it is showing like this, but it should not have shown. Okay, let me go to edit type, and in edit type, if I can find anything that is of that type, I can't find. Just go to the material if we have some material at this place. So we can't find material over here. Model properties, beam object, description, and this node. And if I can't find it here, just go to edit family, and in edit family select this one, and here we can find material. So in this finished material, okay, these are the names of the material. That is huge. So let me go to it, and here if I can find some material, as you can see we have a material over this place. So we can just edit the material to the default material if you want to, or you can keep it as black. So I'm going to make a new material, and here I will name it as one dot wood door or wooden door. Maybe it has not been written down there, so just go to default, rename it one dot wooden door, and just either you can open your asset or go to render appearance, and in appearance just select the image, and we have this image, and we can use the same image for the bump also if you want to. Maybe it will not work, but I'm just trying to make it work. And glossiness, just reduce the glossiness, apply it and apply it and apply it, and go to realistic view, and let me see the side panels of it hasn't changed to the same color. So let me select this one once again, go to edit type, and in edit type we will find some other material, so not in this place. And just go to this, and now we can find some other material. This is material of internal material, handle material, glass material, and this is frame material. So frame material is the outside, frame material internal. So maybe this one, this is the default group, this is the default wall, not the default wall. You have to choose the door. Where is that wooden door? And just do OK and apply, and now as you can see it has not been changed. So not in this material, maybe this one, wooden door, apply it. It has not been changed. So door lift material, maybe this one, default door, apply. Yes, now it has been changed. So let me just load it to the family once again. Just delete the outer side, maybe it would not delete. So just go to this, and maybe we can edit the outer side, that is this wooden door. Here we can put any of that black material or this aluminum, apply it. Okay, just load into project, and let us see what, and override the existing version. And now also I cannot see the changes to it. Okay, right now we are going to keep it at black color only, because I can't find any other color right now. No, let me check once again. Go to edit type, and here we can or we cannot. Aluminum door, and base description. So we cannot change it from here. I try to change it from the edit family part, but I cannot change. So I will keep it at black color only. It is taking too much time. So this portion is done. After this portion has been done, and the internal of this. So as I can see that there is some wooden color inside it. So as if you can see from here, this is the same color over here. So we can just paint it. You can either paint it or make it or it of the default color. So what we can do is we can make it default color. So just go to this. Okay, the outer surface, you can double S to hide it. Select this one, and then we have to apply a material. Go to edit type, go to material by category, and in category, if I choose same category, this is window, this is the door. Let me check. Then the bottom also will change to the same color, as you can see. So we are going to undo it. Undo, double time, Control Z for undo, and we are going to duplicate it first. Duplicate this one and duplicate it as floor, one dot floor. Okay, and now okay, and after this go to manage, and in manage just select this. Go to appearance. In appearance just select this one, and here you can just increase the size of it. Right now it is 4 5 and 4 feet by 4 feet. You can increase it to 10 feet or maybe more than that, 20 feet by 20 feet. And now let's check it out. And right now we have just changed this floor. Just select this one, and then we can apply it to the floor. Where is that floor material? One dot floor. Where is that one dot lower outer door? Okay, I cannot find it. We have to make it again. Go to this, create new material, one dot floor level, and then in floor level use the render appearance. Always remember that. And appearance, in appearance select image, select your image, or you can select this image also. Let me check if it is fine to use. Okay, or what else we can do is just go to this asset library, go to wood, and you will find something of that type of material. So maybe this cherry one or this walnut. So I'm going to use this glossy, semi-gloss, and walnut. So I'm going to use this walnut, and here you can give it a tint. Maybe if we can apply, no, there's no tint available. So reflectance, you can reduce the reflectance, and for the roughness, can I increase it? No, and roughness cannot be increased. So just apply it, and okay, I just press the wrong button, and okay, and now let's just check it out. So this looks something of this type. It is fine. Just select this one, go to edit type, and before going to edit type, just select which floor it was. It was one dot floor. Just select this one and select one dot floor, and now you will see that you have this same floor over this place. HR to get everything back. And if you want to change the size of this material, I mean the this size, so you can go here appearance, and in appearance just select this image, and over here it is at 1 feet 6 inches. You can do it as okay, this is a way too smaller, so we have to keep it, or it will just pixelate itself. So we are going to keep it. And after this has been done, we also had some material of that. If I can see from our last project, if I had texture from our last project, let me see. Okay, renders, Revit exterior 2021. And what was our last project? That was I don't remember its name. I can't find it. To project, no. Okay, let me check somewhere else. This was, what was the last project? Project file, no, I can't find it. Okay, I can't find my last project. No, I don't know where I kept it. Maybe. Okay, just leave it. You can just change your material. You know how to change it. So just keep it. I cannot find it right now. If I find it, I will change it in this material afterwards. After that, what else do we have? We have here some marble type of materials. So what we are going to do is go to manage material, and here we are going to make one dot marble, and then go to asset library, go to physical appearance, and then select fabric or finish or flooring. Okay, we could have used this. Okay, I will change it later. So for the this as I can see, we can use this materials, and right now I'm searching something for stone material, and in stone material if I can find something, maybe no, not this. Where is that? Ceramic. And in ceramic material I can't find it. No, finish flooring masonry. Let me check in the masonry. I think it will be available in this one. No, this is one of the rustic one. And where is this marble? Fine asbestos, coarse polished stone. Okay, I will use this one. And always remove unfinished. And relief pattern, finish bumps. Just give it a bump and increase the bump. Apply it, and select this one. Go to edit type. In edit type, go to edit, and by category, just select the same marble material. Okay. And now every 9-inch wall will change to that same material. So you can also change it later. And in this we have some flow. Go to edit, and in edit type we are going to change this material. So go to asset library. In asset library, okay, before going to asset library you can remove this image. So just select this. Okay, go to this appearance, and in appearance I have to remove this image, or we can select different type of finish. So I'm going to flooring, and here I can find this one, double flooring, unfinished, finish, and relief pattern. Okay, and apply it. And now we can see that it does look something like that. You can make it more glossier. So it is the same material, but it has been rotated by 90 degrees, so you can rotate it. And after that, what else we have in this project? And we have to change this material. I will change it later. We have this kitchen interior. We can make this, so I'm going to make this whole kitchen interior maybe in the next video. We have to make this stair, so we are going to make it right now. And accept stairs. This is our north view. So in north view we have nothing of that sort, so we have just drawn everything except, so we don't have okay, we have to use here too. So first of all, just go to this portion, and how to use a do at this place I will have to think about it. Maybe I've downloaded a do, maybe that would work. So I don't know which one was that, maybe this one. So just go to Revit, go to architecture, go to do, and in do just go to load family, and in load family if I can find the same door, I'll just select a 3 door and open everything at once. And now I will have to select the door that has open panels. As you can see, it is updating. So you can get this 2016 file. I will attach it in the description. Always remember that you will find everything in the description, whatever I use in this project. And as you can see, it cannot be loaded. So let me check what type of door has been loaded yet. Door, and Okay, this is one of the door, that is the lower door, and this one is this one. This one was okay. I cannot use all of this. Okay, let me check if I can insert it directly. Go to insert and select this one. Okay, this is actually a window type. Let me check if that works for this place or not. Okay, this also didn't work. Go to window and try to load it once again. Select this one. And I cannot understand why it is not being loaded. Okay, so the last option, if something doesn't load, you can just drag and drop it. And as you can see, now it has been loaded, and I can keep it on this place. Maybe can I will have HR, go to the front view, go to the window. Okay, we have something here. So we have it at this place actually. Just move it and move it from here to here. And check once again. It has been moved till here. We have to move it once again. So just go to move, and as you can see, it cannot be moved. So let's keep this door, and you can use the same door on this side. If you can see, you can use the same door that we want over this place. Maybe it will be open, but not a problem for our project. And I think it looks here better. Okay, no, it doesn't look better. HR, go to this family, and again go to the window. Okay, it cannot be loaded as window, it can be loaded as component actually. So where is our wall? I can keep it on the wall, and for this portion I cannot keep it here. What we can do is just select this place, go to the front view, go to the edit type, close, and here you can just edit it like this and edit it like this. Trim it. Before trimming, just split it. So as you can not, if you are not able to see, I'm just okay changing it to this black and white mode. Trim, this is called hidden line mode. Okay, so just trim it, trim it, trim it, trim, and now it's done. And now I have an open area over here. Just go through the first floor, and we have an open area at this place. You can directly attach your window, maybe not. So go to wall and draw a 4.5 inches wall from the middle of this to the middle of this, and then go to this place. Okay, keep it till the first floor only, and then component, and then attach this component. Okay, it cannot be done, but we can do it. Edit profile, reduce the size of it, reduce the size of it, press OK, and increase the size of it. So we can keep it till here, remove constraint, keep it till here, remove constraint, and keep it till this place and remove constraint. Okay, and now we have something like this long wall component, and just place it over here. And now you can see that we have placed it here. Now we can just increase the size of this. So select this one, go to edit profile once again, and go to the front view and place it everywhere that you want to. So I can place it from here to here, here to here, and you can do one more thing, that is just keep it like this and split this area, split and TR for the trim it, and as you can see, okay, just move it a little bit and make one more line over here, trim. Okay, 1 second, let me check, make a line from here to here and then trim it from this place to this place, and now decrease the size of it by a little bit. And now we have a curtain wall, something of this type. Maybe there's some intersecting lines. Where's that intersecting line? Okay, still there's something intersecting. Okay, here it was intersecting for this place, not a problem. Just select this, keep it till here, trim it from here to here, and now we have a cancel. What's the problem? And now we have a curtain wall over here, we have a door over here, we can also keep a door over here, but we don't want to. This is a window, but we have used it as a door. And then we have, after applying a door at this place, and here's no door, nothing. Where else do we have a door? So let me check out. Not this place, not this place, not here also. So we have to put a railing, so we are going to draw that railing also. Just hide this one, double S to hide, go to this place, go to the top, and then we have to draw a railing. So for drawing a railing, select double S to hide, top, okay, the railing ends at this place. So just go to the railing, and here you will find railing. Okay, this work print cannot be used for the operation. Okay, railing, why I cannot use it? First floor, okay, we can use this one is for the railing. So I'll just double click on the first floor, go to the railing, and now you can draw your railing. And if you can't see your image, just cancel it once, double S to hide, and now everything is hidden. And now we have our floor visible. Just go to architecture, go to railing, and in railing you can directly use this pick line, pick this line, pick this line, pick this line, and pick this line. And let me see if it is over that place or not. It is in the back view, and as you can see it is over that place also. So let me go to 3D and check it out. So this portion will come out a little bit more because we have a railing over there. So let's first make the railing on all the sides, and we were picking some lines, so just pick this line also. And we don't have railing at this place, and press OK. And now if you go to 3D, you will see that we have something of this kind of railing. If you want to change it, you can change it to the rectangular one and handrail pipe. So I think this type of railing was there at that point. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and fourth one is the main ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 railing. Go to edit type and railing. Go to railing structure, and here you can reduce or increase the size of your railing. So where is our top rail? First of all, let me check the use the top rail at 3 feet, and this is circular, so we need 3 more railing. That is at not at this place, not at, so 1 feet, 2 feet, and just delete this one. So the railing 5, I'm going to delete it. I cannot delete it. 0. Select this one, delete. We need actually 3 railings. So we have just deleted two of the railing, and now you can give it as height. So it is at 1 feet 6 inches. You can keep it at 1 feet, 1 feet. Then we have it at 2 feet, 2 feet, no, lesser than 2 feet. So we can keep it at 2 feet 6 inches is 24 and 6 30 inches. So I can keep it as at 10 inches, and then 1 feet 8 inches, that is 20 inches, and then 2 feet 6 inches. Apply. Okay, and let us check it out. So we have something of this kind of railing, so we are going to keep it. If you want to make changes to it, you can also do that, but I have to make changes to this place actually. So just go to, okay, double S to hide this one, the outer layer, and then go to edit type, and we have to increase the size of it till here, and finish. Attach, always remember, and joint element, and just go to edit path, and in edit path select this path. Okay, and now we have a railing at this place. So this is the place to roam around, and after that we have to delete this top railing. Maybe, yes, delete it, not a problem. Delete this one, select the railings, HR, and select the outer side, select this railing, and copy, paste to align selected label, and paste it to the second floor. And now you can see that not everything has been placed. Just select the floor, copy the floors, paste, align to second floor, and okay. And now we have something like this. And as you can see, this walls are visible on the outer side. So just select this, go to edit boundary, and finish it, and I will get an option of attach and unjoint element and delete element, and we have it. So on the top we don't have railing, so I've just removed the railing, and we have a railing at this place. So just go to the first floor, and we have a railing till this place. Edit path, and in edit path just select this line and edit this line till here, and press ok. And now go to the 3D view, and now you will see that we have a railing over this place and all over the place. And after that, okay, this is the front side, this is the back view, that we were design. This is the front facade. So we have door, I mean walls on the sides. After this we have to make the stairs, and then we have to color the inner walls as this brown color. So we are going to make, press HR on your keyboard, go to the realistic view, and in realistic view, as you can see, we can edit it. And if I have edited that one, then we have to edit this also. So just go to edit in place, select this one, edit sweep, select sweep, pick path, go to the top, and just change it like this. Okay, finish, finish model. Now, so we have the same thing on the bottom side. So bottom one is placed with this one only. So I think it's not wrong on the bottom. I mean, not the bottom, this first floor, this is fine. This wall, we don't have anything here. This wall, we don't have anything here. Then what we have is, we have a swimming pool that we are going to make. We have this kitchen that this interior will be done tomorrow. And we have a stair. So I'm just going to draw this stair. So just go to the ground floor, and always remember to save your project. Then press HR. Okay, HR. I cannot find that. Bring to the front, double S to hide the floor, and now you can see. And here also double S to hide this floor. And now we have a stair, and this stair is something of this type. So the stair starts from where it starts from and then start from this place. This is our kitchen and stairs start from here. So we are going to go a stair first, and this stair is from the ground floor to the first floor, and the number of steps is 15, and from here to here first row 15 number of stairs. So we have it move. Right now it is at 15. Can I change it directly? Okay, convert not to convert. Okay, delete this one, go to this and select, instead of 15 select 18, and then draw 18 stairs, and then try to align it first, then go to edit type, duplicate it and make it as my stair. So this is finish, select this, and this is my stair. Okay, just go to the edit, go to the, okay, select this, go to edit, and you will find, where is that edit sketch option? Convert. No, I don't want to convert it, I want to sketch it actually. Okay, now we have it, and in edit sketch just select this portion until here, select this portion till this place, and then you can select this one, multiple trim, and if you are not able to see this, just select this one first and then attach every one of it to the boundary line. Okay, now that I have attached it and step path is fine, just go to finish, and there is some error. So where is that error? Okay, finish invalid sketch. Why it is giving it as an invalid sketch? Okay, this portion is coming out of it, so just reduce the size of it. Finish. Still there's a problem. Where is the problem? I will have to check it out. It's already 3:30 in the morning and I'm recording it. Okay, I'm going to just leave it and edit sketch once more. Select this one till this portion, select this one till this portion. Finish. Okay, I cannot finish it directly. Select this one, finish it. I cannot understand where is the problem. Trim from this portion to this portion. Okay, we have a problem at this point. So we are going to increase the size of it, and then again select your, okay, well, first select this one, select your boundary, and I think I will take 3 to 4 more of this tutorial for this particular project because I have to do many things. And here we have our stairs, and in stairs, let me hide this wall, double S to hide, select this one, double S to hide this two, double S to hide, double S to hide, and double S to hide. And now we have our stair at this place, but we have to make some changes to this. So what changes are needed? So select your image, and from the image, as you can see, there are no railing on the outer side, so just delete this railing and delete this railing. After that, you can see that there's no stranger on the sides and no riser. Just select this and go to edit type, then go to this straight run, and here you can just remove your riser. I mean, okay, yes, riser, you can remove the riser, apply. Okay, after that we don't have stranger on this side, so none, and this stranger is also none, so left and right support none. And let me see if we have a middle support. So we don't have a middle support also, so we are not going to keep it. Just apply it, and now you have a stair something of this type. The way is to hide this. And now that you have stair, let me check it is coming to the first floor or not. Double is to hide everything, double is to hide, select this one, hide this one, and we can see that it is not able. I think it has reached. Okay, HR, go to this section view. So just click anywhere on the outside and you will find a section box. Go to the front view, then reduce the size of this front view till here, and now you can see that. Okay, now that we can see our stair, we have to make changes to our flow. So just select the inner flow, tab, okay, double S to hide, select this one, double S to hide, and now we have selected this. Go to edit boundary, go to the top and select rectangle, and let me see how much open area is there. So only until this stairs portion there is an empty area. Attach unjoined element, and now we have something like this. We can just increase it by one more stair and what if I reduce it like 70. Okay, now we have stairs something like this, and this is perfect right now. So we have to apply a material, and here we have a material of this wooden type. So select this one, go to edit type and go to this run type, and here you will find thread category. In thread category, select one dot stair. So one dot stair wood, and here you can find any of the wood that you can have over that place. So flooring, and here I will use this American cherry or beechwood. So I'm going to use this beechwood, and relief pattern, reduce the relief pattern, or you can keep it, and in semi glossy instead of that you can keep it as glossy, and okay and okay and okay. And now you can see that we have something of this type. And if you want the same material at this place, you can also use this. So you can also change this floor material. So just instead of floor, if we have stair, if we don't have, so we are going to select a new material. Go to appearance, in appearance select your flooring material, and flooring material you can either choose this beechwood that I'm going to select, or you can select this beechwood. So I have used the redwood and press OK, and I will see that everything is in the red color and HR. And now okay, after this we are right now in section view. After that we have to make the ceiling that is of white color. So we have to make ceiling. So go to the ground floor, and here we need to make a ceiling plan. So just go to the ceiling, and in ceiling, as you can see, this is the one of the ceiling. Delete elements, and I think everywhere it has been placed. Let me see, where is that ceiling placed, or it has been either placed or not. I don't even know. So I cannot find our ceiling. Go to the ground level. Go, okay, I cannot find the ceiling. This is our floor, and to the ground level, to the architecture, to the ceiling where we have select ceiling, sketch ceiling, and in sketch ceiling you can just pick the lines, and from here to here, from here till here, from here till here, and here. And now just trim everything. Trim this portion, but this portion is the outer portion. Okay, this is the interior portion. And select this, and trim it. So just trim this, trim this, trim this, and from here to here, from here to here, and from this place to this place. And now we have a ceiling in a particular line, and press OK. And as you can see, here is something intersecting, or it is not connected. So just trim this portion to this portion and press OK. And still we have something over this place left, so just do something like this and attach this and go to the edit boundary. And now that we have a ceiling at this place, you can place the ceiling at the height of 9 feet. We have 6 inches, 9 feet 4 inches, and now we have a ceiling of 9 feet 4 inches. And now we have to make a change to the ceiling. So what we can do is just go to this top view, go to the edit boundary, and in edit boundary you can again go to the top view, and here you can just trim this stair portion out. Then SL for the split it, trim it, trim, and trim, and okay. And now we have our ceiling at this place. And you can also copy the same ceiling on the top. So if you want to use the same ceiling, so before making any changes, go to edit type, and here you will find something that is ceramic type. So we have is one dot ceiling or ceramic, one dot ceiling appearance ceramic. You can use this square ivory or this ice white or this particular white color. So I'm going to select this one, okay. And now I'm going to copy it, paste it, align to selected level to the second level. And now we will have a ceiling on the both of the floor. Where is that ceiling? We don't have a ceiling on the top of it, so you can just select this one. Sorry. And we can put it on the first floor. Is this the first floor? No, it is at the second floor, so just attach it to the first floor. And now we have a ceiling at this place also. After this ceiling, what else we have? First I'm going to complete everything in the outer portion. So this portion is from the back side. Let me check. So this is the wooden portion, this is the okay. First remove this section box. So just select this, remove this section box. After remove this section box, we have to make a swimming pool. And which type of swimming pool? So we have a reference for that. I think go to the root level, HR, to get everything back. If you cannot get it back, okay. Where is my image? On the ground floor, I think. Okay, so we have our this portion. Okay, we can do it right now or tomorrow. Okay, we are just going to place every door on everywhere, and then we are going to edit some of the this glass panels, and after that I'm just going to end this session. It's already 3:38 in the morning and I have to sleep. So this exterior portion will take one more class. So I'm going to make one more tutorial on this, and after that we are going to do the interiors of it. So check out, this portion has been done, this portion has been done, there's a door, so this portion has also been done, this portion has been done, and this portion has been done. So we have to make changes to the interior. To go to the ground floor, select DR for the door, and we have a room over here, room, and there's a wall and there's a wall. So DR, and in DR you can get any of the doors. So I'm going to just, okay, this is a bit too large door, and we don't want a lower door, so for the internal room door, either you can load this one once again, or you can use a door of 4.5 inches. So let me check to be used, and here you can find some of the door families, and from here I can get off all of these and I will paste it here, and you will get this family in the description. So I will use this one. Select this, load this one directly into the Revit. Okay, as you can see, this door is much larger for this portion and maybe for this portion also. So where is our door? One of our door is at this place. We have already placed it. We have placed it. And here is the smaller door. Is our bathroom. Here is also our bathroom. So we need a smaller door on the sides. So I'm going to load this one first. In 4 to 5 minutes I'm going to end the session. Okay, place one door over here. So if this is a bathroom, we cannot place second door over here, and in this portion we need a wall first. So WF for the wall, 4.5 inches wall, select this and make it larger. DR for the door, and you can place the door over here. And if you want to reduce the size of it, just go to edit tab, duplicate it and rename it as my door or bathroom door, and then instead of 3 feet 1 inches structural opening width, and 3 feet 1 inches, you can do it as 2 feet 6 inches, and okay, and okay, and it will take some time to make the changes to the door. And we have our, where is that door? This is 2 feet 6 inches door. You can again select your my door. So where's that to my door? Yes. So now we have made it. Again select door, and we have to place a door over this place. So WA, and here we will have a wall till this place. Maybe it will be a bit smaller till here. Then again WA, and here we have a 9-inch wall, as you can see. So select wall and go to 9 inches, 9 inches wall, and from this portion to this portion it is overlapping from ground floor to the first floor, and then we need to apply a door, and we have a my door, and we can place a door of this side, and now we have our door. You can use the space bar to change the direction of the door. After that, this is the living room, this is the dining area type of inside area, and we can draw this portion also. Just go to the road level, go to the floor, and here you can draw 4 of the floors. One floor, make it like this, then again the second floor, that starts from here, and this third one here, or maybe you can just do it like this, something. Make it of equal size, make it of equal size, reduce it, and if you want to make something like this peculiar type 1 2 3 4, okay, so we can also do that. It is coming from the outside, so I'm going to go it here, then I'm going to go it here, and then something over here, the smaller one at the toe. And now we can finish it first, and I know that it will show this warning, and we have to make one more floor over the same place, so you can just reduce this road level to -6 inches, and then again go to the floor and go to the road level, go to the floor and draw a floor and check it out. This is half in this portion and half in this portion, so you can just do it like this. Okay, I will keep it here and I will increase the size of it. So just go to this, select the boundary of it, reduce the size of it by a little bit, and then finish it, and we can make one more floor in the middle, something like this, and it's not going to overlap with anything, I think so. So this is our pathway, and this pathway still not stands over the place that we want, so just use your keyboard button to place it there. And now as you can see, we have something like this, and if you want to edit this one, you can edit it later on. So now we have completed this portion, we have to make the interior parts. So for today I'm going to leave it. I know that today I was a bit too slow, but from tomorrow I will try to do this whole interior portion tomorrow. The whole interior portion I will start tomorrow, then whatever we have left we will do it on the later classes, so we can make it faster, because everyone has one of the comment that was that I have to make this interior, so I will try to read tomorrow, so wait for tomorrow. And thank you for watching. Let's end this session.